Ever checked your bank balance and actually smiled instead of panicking? There's a specific number that flips your money mindset completely, and it's not six figures or a million. That number is $20,000. Stick around, because this milestone changes everything about how you think, spend, and grow your money. My name is Ben. I break down the real psychology of money and wealth building. If you're serious about changing how you think about money, you're in the right place. So hit subscribe and let's get started. You know that feeling when you check your bank account and instead of panicking, you actually feel calm or even happy? That moment is when your mindset begins to shift. Most people think wealth comes at six figures or $1 million, but the real turning point is much lower, $20,000. I spend a lot of time thinking about money, why some people build wealth seemingly effortlessly while others stay stuck, and the psychological triggers behind it. If you want to stop hoping for financial luck and actually understand how money works, keep watching. When people think about wealth, they often picture a trust fund kid or someone grinding for decades, saving a little at a time. The truth, wealth building doesn't look like that. It's about crossing thresholds that change the rules of the game. $20,000 is the first major threshold. It separates people who will eventually grow wealth from those living paycheck to paycheck. Most people don't even know this number exists. Think about pushing a boulder uphill. The first few inches are brutal. You strain, sweat, and wonder if it's even possible. But once the boulder gains momentum, it starts rolling faster, and eventually it comes down the other side effortlessly. That's what $20,000 represents. Before it, you feel like you're pushing uphill. After it, momentum works for you. But the real shift isn't just financial, it's psychological. Without savings, your brain operates in survival mode. Every choice is filtered through fear and scarcity. You accept jobs you dislike, stay in situations you hate, and say yes to things you don't want to do, all because your mental energy is consumed by immediate survival. Once you cross $20,000, your brain changes. You stop asking, "How do I survive?" and start asking, "How can I grow this money?"
Here's a quick question for you. Have you ever said yes to a job just because you couldn't afford to be picky? If you have, you're not alone. That's exactly what happens in survival mode. But once you've saved $20,000, that fear goes away. You can actually make choices based on opportunity, not desperation. Research shows that just $2,000 in emergency savings boosts financial well-being by 21%, and reaching 3 to 6 months of expenses, roughly $20,000, adds another 13%. That's more than numbers, it's freedom. Now the math is exciting. Saving $1,000 per month with an 8% investment return, reaching your first $20,000 takes about 19 months. The second $20,000, about 17 months. Why? Because your first $20,000 is now earning returns alongside your contributions. By the time you get to your third $20,000, your money does more of the heavy lifting. By $400,000, generating another $20,000 could take just 5 months. The first milestone is the hardest. After that, momentum grows exponentially. Some think wealthy people have secret access to investments, but here it's simple math. $1,000 at 10% growth gives $100. $10,000 gives $1,000. Scale transforms small gains into real progress. And it's not just money, it's habit and identity. Saving $20,000 proves you can control your money, track spending, delay gratification, and consistently make strategic choices. These are life skills that influence every financial decision. Another quick question for you. What's stopping you from saving your first $1,000 today? Think about it. Most obstacles aren't about income, they're about habits. Once you take control of your habits, the rest follows. Psychologically, $20,000 gives options. Expenses that once felt catastrophic now feel manageable. Opportunities you ignored before, investments, business ventures, career moves become real possibilities. You also stop sweating small expenses and focus on big ones. Before, a $3 coffee or cereal brand choice consumed mental energy. Now, housing, savings, investments, and career decisions matter most. Career-wise, $20,000 gives you walking away money. You're no longer trapped by necessity. You can negotiate, push back, and explore opportunities without fear. Just knowing it exists changes your behavior and opens doors, accelerating wealth. The danger? Spending it too soon. Cars, vacations, or houses can erase the advantage. $20,000 is the foundation of long-term wealth. Most people spend more on cars over their lifetime than it would take to reach financial independence. Cars depreciate, money evaporates. Investing the same funds multiplies it. At this level, you evaluate opportunity cost for all major decisions. Housing, education, hobbies, vacations, they become strategic. Micro decisions no longer dominate your attention. You realize you don't actually want everything you thought you did. Bigger apartments, expensive hobbies, they delay financial independence. This isn't penny pinching, it's intentional living. $20,000 doesn't make you rich overnight, but it changes how you think, act, and see opportunity. It's the difference between surviving and thriving, reacting or designing your life. Start building that foundation today. Your future self will thank you.